Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create and share editable Canva files. Whether you're collaborating with the team or just sharing for feedback, this feature makes the whole process faster and more productive. Let's dive right in. Once your design is ready, look for the share button in the top right corner of the screen. Click it and a window will open with all your sharing options. In the sharing window, type in the email address of the person you want to share with. Make sure you double check the spelling to avoid sending it to the wrong inbox. Next to the email field, you'll see a permission setting. By default, Canva usually sets this to edit. Keep it that way so your recipient can open the file and make changes directly. This is key for smooth collaboration. Once everything looks good, click the share button again. Canva will send an invitation straight to the recipient, giving them access to the editable file. Now your teammate or client can jump into the same design, edit elements, and work alongside you. It's perfect for group projects or quick feedback loops. And that's it. Sharing editable Canva files only takes a few steps. Type in an email, set permissions to edit, and click share. Simple, collaborative, and efficient. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.